Hi, welcome to Devmitrulu. In this video, we are going to discuss about whether the two strings are anagram or not. Anagram means if the two strings are anagrams, if you want to check, means if they contain the same characters in the same frequencies but in different order. Means like listen and silent are both are anagrams, and triangle and integral are both are anagrams. Like the same character which fulfills the both the strings. If we want to sort it out or anything, we need to get the same result. So this is the thing we are going to discuss in this video, and keep it in mind. uh, Watch this video in 1.5x to get the better understanding. Let's get started. In the below package, I am creating like anagram check. I am creating a class anagram check, anagram check, and I am creating a main method here, so that here in the main method, in the first only, we can create a string of str1. Let's take it as a, I had already said, right, the listen. Okay, string 1 and string 2 str2 equal to silent. Okay, I am taking both these variables over here, and then let's take it as a boolean, or whether the result we can take it as a boolean. We can check, like, we need to create a method and call this method whether the strings are anagram or not. So I am creating a method with the name r anagrams. Okay, so I can, outside the main method, we can call the r anagrams method over here, so that we can call this in main method. So need to create r anagrams outside this main method. So inside the class and outside the main method, I am creating one more method with public static boolean r anagrams. R anagrams, let me take it as a string 1, string str1, comma, string str2. Let me take str2. Okay, so first thing, I'm calling it as a result, right? So this result requires some if condition, like whether the anagram check, right? If boolean value we are going to get true, means it will sys out both the strings are anagram. Okay, let's close this. str1, let me take this and plus str2 plus r anagrams. Okay, and I am going to take this in the else part, or not anagrams. If it is false, it needs to throw in the else condition. So are not anagrams. So here in public static boolean, if lengths are equal, they cannot they can be true. So like it needs to proceed to another. If not, we need to take it in. If not, like not equal to means they cannot be anagrams, right? So let's take length of str1 which means string 1. String 1 and string 2 lengths are not equal, so it needs to return false, right? So then it will be not the anagrams. So I am returning false directly if the lengths are not equal. Okay. And then first thing, we need to convert strings to character array so that we can sort them and we can check with the arrays will be formed, right? So with those arrays we can check the equals method so that it will return whether the array 1 and array 2 which are going to create for the string 1 and string 2 will be equal or not. We can compare it by sorted arrays. Okay, so let me take convert strings to character arrays and sort them. Okay, let me take character array, which is array of 1 is equals to str1 dot we are going to create to character array. Okay, so to character array and character array 2 for the str2 dot to character array. We are creating for both the character arrays and then we are assigning it to arrays. Okay, arrays dot sort of array 1. Okay, and one more, arrays dot sort of array 2. So we need to return whether these are anagram or not. So arrays dot equals boolean, whatever the boolean value, array 1 comma it is array 2. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are comparing sorted arrays. Okay, sorted arrays. At first we had checked whether if lengths are not equal they cannot be anagrams. So let's see. For listen and silent, let me run this as a Java application. Listen and silent are anagrams. Let me take R over here, listener. So let me run this as a Java application, are not anagrams. So it will return false here only, like it will check the length and it will throw the boolean value. Okay, this is the thing. So listen and silent are anagrams. Thank you. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos like this, click on the bell icon. Thank you. We will get back to you with more videos.